Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this lab, you'll learn how to boost the performance of your Linux system by using the tune service and commands like nice and renice for optimization. Let's dive in and enhance your system's performance. First, check if the tune package is installed on your system. Use the RPM command with the QA option, which lists all installed packages. RPM, QA grep tuned. Press enter to see if tuned is already installed. From the previous output, you can confirm that tuned is installed along with its version. To check the version directly, use the command tuned -- version. If you want to install the tuned package, use the package manager. On Red Hat Enterprise Linux, run sudo yum install tuned. Press enter and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Check if the tune service is running or active by using the command systemctl status tuned. If tuned is inactive, start it with systemctl start tuned. To check the currently active tune profile, use the command tuned_adm active. To see all available tune profiles, use the command tuned_adm list and press enter to view the list of profiles you can apply. To let tuned suggest the best profile for your system, use tuned_adm recommend. Press enter to get the recommended profile based on your hardware and workload. To change the profile, use the tuned_adm command. For example, to switch to the throughput performance profile, use sudo tuned_adm profile throughput performance. To disable the tune daemon and revert to default settings, use tuned_adm off. To list the active processes along with their PIDs and priority, use the top command. In the output, the PR column shows the process priority, and the NI column shows the nice value, which adjusts the priority. Similar to top, you can use the PS command to display active processes with their priority and nice values. Use the PS axo PID, com, nice CLS. Sort equals nice command to view the PID, command, nice value, and class of active processes, sorted by priority. Let's create a CPU-intensive.sh file to understand the nice and renice commands. Use the following command to create the file and add the provided script, vi CPU-intensive.sh. Then, add the given code. Press escape, then type WQ and press enter to save and exit the file. To make the CPU-intensive.sh script executable, use the chmod plus x CPU-intensive.sh command. Press Enter to grant execution permissions to the script. Before executing CPU-intensive.sh, install the bc command, a basic calculator for arbitrary precision arithmetic calculations. Use the yum install bc command. Press Enter to install it. Use the nice command to set a low priority for the CPU-intensive.sh script. This will run the process with a lower priority than other processes, helping improve system performance. Use the nice n9/CPU-intensive.shv command. Now use the nice command to set a higher priority for the CPU-intensive.sh script. This will allocate more resources and CPU time to the process, allowing it to complete faster. Use the nice n-19/CPU-intensive.sh command. Use the top command to list the active processes. In the output, note the process ID, PID, and the value in the nice column, which should be 0 by default for the top process. Now switch to a new terminal tab and use the Renice command to change the priority of the running top process. Replace 498 with the actual PID of the top process. Switch back to the previous terminal tab and observe that the NI value for the top process has changed to -10, indicating a higher priority. Note the PID of the top process from the previous step. Switch to the other terminal and run the kill command to terminate the top process with the PID. Congratulations! You've completed the exercise. Mark the lab as complete.